not far to go.
on the A40.
So you're on the A40 towards Westwick and Highwick.
Well, you're going to come out of here chinning
okay.
now, or like Bledlow Ridge, so you're going to go over the top.
Okay.
Yes,
no.
like the SP is that you are going on to a mega naughty road. The good news is though, within 2 miles of here, you hit the canal.
London, 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 la da da. Da la da.
Okay, we've just reached the very outskirts of London. We've got another probably about 12-13 miles to actually where we want to be in London. It's getting hot, it's getting warm again, but it's good path, isn't it? So we'll be alright. Should be there in a couple of hours.
Just entered London Waterways. George has gone into the toilets because he's useless. Vicky's drinking too many fluids. Pass out in a minute. Yeah, it's going well. We've only got a few hours left until we're done, and then it's all good. Mr. Fry. Boom.
We've just got onto the final stretch of canal. We're heading up towards London now, and apparently it should take us less than 2 hours, but more than 2 hours if we're slow, so it's going to take us more than 2 hours. It should be fun. As John said, George is running to the toilets. We don't know what for. Might be horrendous.
Oh, he's been in there so long he's going to break it.
Yeah. The pump will slowly rot. George will still be there. Yeah, no, it's brilliant weather. It's really hot, but it's quite nice actually. We're in the shade. Do you want to point? Oh, there's Vicky. Look, there's the canal. That's what we're.
And we're at this pub called the Malt Shovel. It's very nice. Very nice canal.
So,
Vicky just broke my bike.
Yeah. So, cheers.
flying high in the sun, and the light is breaking through in the sun, and over there, over there, over there. The underwear rides ridiculously worse than the bike does.